14x over 7y equals to 2 times square root of w positive 19. The given equation relates the distinct positive real numbers w, x and y. Which equation correctly expresses w in terms of x and y? That is, we have to solve for w in terms of x and y in the given equation. Okay, now let me take the given equation. That is 14x over 7y equals to 2 times square root of w positive 19. Here 7 goes into 7 one time, 7 goes into 14 two times. We get 2x over y equals to 2 times square root of w positive 19. Now let me multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 2. Okay, let me do it on the right side. Here this 2 will cancel out. Here 2 will cancel out. We get x over y on the left side. On the right side we have square root of w positive 19. Now to get of the square root on the right side, let's square both sides of the equation. Okay, let me do it on the left side. Here on the right side, the square root and square will cancel out. The resulting equation is x over y the whole square equals to w positive 19. Let me subtract 19 from both sides of the equation. That positive 19, negative 19 will cancel out. I am getting x over y the whole square negative 19 equals to w. Here I got the equation which correctly expresses w in terms of x and y over here. So we find this equation exactly in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.